Powerful computer tips you didn't know exist. These tips will make your computer work much faster. First, click the Window button plus R on your keyboard. Type in sysdm.cpal and click on OK. Go to Advanced. Under Performance, click on Settings. Then change the option to Adjust for best performance. On your keyboard again, click the Window button plus R, type in msconfig, and click OK. Click on Boot. Go to Advanced Options. Check this of Number of Processors. Then select the highest number you see there. Now click on Start. Then go to Settings. Click on System. Then click on Display. Scroll down and click on Graphics. Go to Change Default Graphics Settings. After that, turn this on. By doing these, your computer will work much faster.